Good morning, dear students. I hope that you all are keeping well and I pray for you and your family to be safe. So, today we will enter into a chapter. Class 8, Subject Moral Science, topic The Importance of Moral Science, Part 2. Students are the future of India. The future of our country depends upon the moral values imparted to them during their student life. Moral lessons should be properly implemented among students in schools and colleges. So, my dear students, you are all very gifted that you have got chance to have moral science classes because only moral values can make you a good human being to a country, society, school, and family, etc. Moral values help in determining the character of a student as being good or bad. Moral values are a good companion for a peace and harmony, as when everyone behave well, then there is no cause for violence or calamity. So, dear children, to apply your science theory, you need lab to do practical. But every moment of your life, you can apply your moral values to be a good human being. In schools, moral values in students are rewarded with gifts and privileges from the school management, especially when the school is giving honors. Even in a school, also, students were appreciated by a principal for being rich in moral values. Moral values determine whether or not you attract good friends. The good will always want to have good around them just as the bad will want bad. So moral values are the seeds which are sown in your heart to make a wonderful garden for your future. Teachers are the source of inspiration for students. The relationship between student and teacher is very strong. The moral education can be taught at educational institutions. Our curriculum may include the study of life biographies of great personalities who followed the right path in life. In a school, also, many teachers are an inspiration for all of us. A principal for the jazz is a great inspiration for everyone who gives preference to the moral values and live according to it. Even for me, being as a teacher, for me, inspiration is my teacher who taught me in 10th standard. So she had all the moral values. On seeing her, I inspired. So from her, I thought that I want to be a teacher and I want to teach moral values to the children. Parents of today think that providing all luxurious to their children is their only responsibility, but they miss to offer them the most important wealth, moral values. When parents deny this, they fail in their duty to give a good human being to the society. Honesty, kindness, truthfulness, forgiveness, respect for others, helping others, etc., are some of the moral values that every parent must teach their children. Parents should pay great responsibility to provide moral values to their children by their lives. This society of ours is filled with immoral people who find every scope to deceive others through their activities. The young ones learn more things by observing their elders and they mimic the way their elders behave. It is the responsibility to elders like parents, teachers, etc. to grow a future generation with moral values seeded in them by improving their own behavior. So, everyone's responsibility to keep up moral values in their own life. Moral values give an aim to life. Knowing differences between right and wrong is the foundation to imbibe moral values, which are taught from the birth and bring out the best in individuals. Nowadays, students are very intelligent, but they lack moral values to lead their life in a meaningful way. In conclusion, it is evident that moral value are an important consideration in the development of the society. Moral values go a long way to impacting the lives of an individual and the entire society. The development of moral values varies with the environmental exposure in societies. Each society should strive to uphold good moral values. If we want to have a peaceful and better country for tomorrow, it's necessary that everyone's duty, from students to prime minister, to practice moral values in their life. So, my dear students, cultivate moral values from your childhood itself. Then you can see your society as heaven. So, dear students, it's my request that please give importance to your moral science. I'm not insisting you to write in your notebook and to by heart all these things, but to apply in your life. Now we are all in lockdown, so in your family, just you practice all these moral values, whatever you learn. Only the moral value keeps you happy and safe than your quality education, the theory, the practical which you are learn, because it depends on your mind. But the moral values always attached with your heart to keep you happy and peaceful life. Thank you.